Your grinder's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes conduct electricity to the armature through its commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you will want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the motor housings from the grinder. Now I have access to the first brush. I'll go ahead and remove the brush holder from the housing. With the holder out of the housing, now I can pull the spring away from the brush and remove the brush from the holder. Now I can install the new brush. I'll begin by pressing the connector on the lead back onto the tab on the brush holder. Now I can insert the brush into the brush holder and reinstall the tension spring. And I'll put the entire brush holder assembly back into the motor housing. And I'll repeat this process on the other side of the grinder. Now I can reinstall the longer portion of the motor housing. It has two tabs in the front that lock into notches on the motor housing. I'll make sure that I have the switch actuator pulled all the way back. I'll flip the grinder over, and on this side I want to make sure that I have the actuator lever behind the switch. Now I'll tuck the wires out of the way. And install the smaller piece of the cover. And secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new carbon brush set in your grinder.